guys, welcome back to Success Mommy. My name is Amanda if this is your first time here. So today I decided to go ahead and share with y'all what I eat in a day. I know since I just started back on keto, I haven't really given y'all anything to go off of to let y'all know what I've been eating. So we're just going to do pretty much what I eat today. So it's already actually 12:20. I usually do not eat until about 12 during the week, Monday through Friday. I try to do the same on the weekends. I usually only eat about twice a day. So without further ado, let's go into our first meal of the day. You can see here, this is what I'm going to be eating for my first meal. I have my keto pancakes right here, my heavy whipping cream that I turned into Cool Whip, kind of. I don't add any sweeteners to it. My avocado, and then right here I have some sausage, bacon, and egg with some homemade hot sauce. I have my coffee right here, and then I also have my water right here. So this is what we're going to be eating right now, guys. Okay, guys, so here is dinner. This is my overview of it. So we have some cauliflower rice right here, fajita tacos, and this is fat dough bread that I went ahead and made into tortillas on the stove. We have fajita meat in here, green bell peppers, and onion. So I have 3 tacos and cauliflower rice. And that is all for dinner, guys. Okay, so that was it. I know y'all are like, what's up? This girl eats like twice a day. Trust me, I know. My daughter just said the same thing. But with me doing keto, that is usually all I eat every day. It's about twice. As you saw, I have a pretty big first meal, and then my second meal of the day is a lot smaller. I'm pretty full. Sometimes I have dessert, but tonight was not one of those nights. But anyways, I hope I gave you some ideas on different things that you can make. And if you ever have any questions, feel free to message me. And don't forget to also go check out all the other videos I have on here, guys. And also, I love y'all and thank y'all for taking the time out to watch my channel. I really appreciate it. Have a good day, guys. Love y'all. Bye.